Welcome to Rising Media. Today, history has been written in Tamil Nadu as Talapati Vijay's TVK shocks the nation, securing 108 seats in the 2026 assembly elections. But with the majority mark at 118, the state is in a deadlock. Today, we dive into the Vijay wave and the critical role Governor Rajendra Vishwanath Arlekar must play to decide who wears the crown. Let's look at the scoreboard. TVK 108 seats, DMK 59 seats, AIADMK 47 seats, Congress 5 seats, others 15 seats. Vijay has officially staked this claim. With the Congress switching sides to support TVK, the tally reaches 113. However, the magic number is 118. Vijay is currently short by 5 seats, and the entire state is holding its breath as smaller parties become the kingmakers. All eyes are now on Governor Rajendra Vishwanath Arlekar. In a hung assembly scenario like this, the governor isn't just a figurehead, he is the umpire. Here are the four critical measures the governor must take to ensure a constitutional transition. Verification of support. The governor has already asked Vijay to produce formal letters of support from 118 MLAs. He must ensure these signatures are authentic and not coerced. Inviting the single largest party. According to Constitutional Convention, Sarkaria Commission, the governor should prioritize inviting the leader of the single largest party, TVK, to form a government, provided they can prove a viable coalition. The floor test. If Vijay is sworn in, the governor must mandate a floor within a strict time frame, usually 15 days to prove the majority in the House. Preventing horse trading. The governor must act as a watchdog to ensure Ayaram Gayaram politics or illegal MLA trading doesn't undermine the democratic mandate. Why did the people choose TVK? Vijay's action plan promised a second secretariat in Madurai, a strict code of conduct for MLAs, and a total war on corruption. This MGR 2.0 effect has clearly resonated with the youth and neutral voters who were tired of the status quo. Can Vijay bridge that 5 seat gap? One thing is certain, Tamil Nadu's political grammar has changed forever. What do you think? Should the governor give Vijay more time, or are we heading toward a stalemate? Let us know in the comments below. Alright, guys, this is it for now. For more interesting updates, please do like and subscribe to our channel.